Today's video, we're going to be installing the brand new Idoing head unit in my 2016 Subaru WRX. Before we get it installed, let's just do a quick unboxing so you can see exactly what's in the box, and then we will go get the Seicane head unit out of my WRX, and we'll get the brand new Idoing head unit into my 2016 WRX, see if it truly is better than the Seicane platform. We're going to go ahead and remove the Seicane unit that I've been using for some time now. I've been using this unit for years actually, and it's of course going to be a little bit different if you've got a stock head unit, whether you're in a 2015 plus base or a 2016 plus base premium limited. There's two different styles. I will link both videos to how to remove them above, and then let's just go ahead and do this. Getting this thing out isn't too bad. We'll get this thing out in literally like 2 minutes. Then we have the HVAC controls. HVAC controls are out, and essentially at this point the unit is out. The only thing left for me to do is to disconnect the HVAC unit, take out our vents, and then we'll reinstall them, but I'm not going to bore you guys with that because you guys definitely don't want to see that. So you'll see me putting them back on the new unit. And again, if you have questions about how both of these are removed, check out the other videos where I'm actually removing the stock head unit, because I don't think there's a ton of value in seeing it on the Seicane because it's pretty much the same. We're going to go ahead and start fitting out the Idoing head unit, which is noticeably smaller. I'm going to start by putting in my hazard and my switch buttons, and then I'm going to screw in my my climate control module. That's super easy. I'm not going to bore with you. It's just 4 screws. You put the thing in like that and 4 screws. So let me get that done, and then I will show you what the next step is. So those are in, super easy. They just click in, good fitment, and this just sits in. There's some guides, and I'm going to grind through screwing this in. And the HVAC control module is installed like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and start lining up all of our cords and cables. All right, so the next step is I'm gonna take the GPS and the 3 USBs. I don't know why I ever feed 3 USBs, but I'm gonna do it anyways, and I'm gonna feed them through my glove compartment so that the cords come back here before I do any installation. Again, this is pretty boring. If you wanna see how to do this, I'll link one of my other installations in, but really you're just pushing them back through the opening back there. All right, those are in. It does come with a data card, but I'm not going to run the data card because I don't care. I am going to run the wired microphone just in case I do have to take like a work call in the car, but I'm going to leave it in the glove compartment box. That's up and in. Okay, so the next step is to start mounting our setup here, and we're just going to start getting it into place and start plugging in all the plugs essentially. Everything's super straightforward. By the looks of it, 3 of them are going to go in, 4 of them are going to go in, and then the rest are going to be from the OEM plugs. So again, extremely straightforward. Just follow the instructions in the back of the box. You know, these installs, basically what I'm hoping to do here is answer any of the weird things that pop up, and then basically give you guys confidence that you can do all of this on your own, because it's, you know, literally the easiest install. These installs are so easy. We may not even need to use all these, to be honest. I'm actually finding that a lot of these are just going to plug in. So this might be a lot easier than I had first expected. So I think we're essentially all in there. So moment of truth here. Give her just a quick fire on. So the next step is to get our vents in. I promise these are not easy to do. I've just gotten better at them. You kind of line up the bottom ones and then you bend down the top ones. And once they're all kind of aligned, you feed them all in. So the last thing to plug in here, and I probably should have done this pre-vents, are the hazard and button. Hazard and button are in, and now the balancing act. So we've aligned the bottom, we've now pushed the top down. And there we go. All right, so this thing is installed. It's looking good. You can see the difference in height here. I apologize, my arms are really white, but I want to show all the shadows here. I'm gonna do what you guys want me to do so bad. Peel off the protective skin. Look at that. It's looking pretty good, huh? You can see the camera. Hey. So that thing is looking pretty good. I'm sorry for the glare. Let's get this thing booted up. I'll come out with a full video on how to use this and my thoughts and my entire experience with the UI of this unit, but it's working. The last thing to test here, the moment of truth. Do we get a backup camera? Look at that. Big old backup camera. It's actually looking a lot clearer, I think, than the Seicane unit, in my opinion. I mean, actually, very much so. It's a very clean image right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the install of the Idoing head unit, the brand new Idoing head unit for the 2015 Plus Subaru WRX and STI. Again, this is just the install. Give me some time, let me review this thing, get to know the UI, and I will make a very objective review of the unit itself, and hopefully a year from now we can go for a long-term review. So hopefully you guys feel empowered to install these on your own. I'll have a video that compares the Idoing and the Seicane unit coming out shortly, so look forward to that. Thanks, guys.